Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through a complete beginner-friendly Salesforce CRM tutorial so you can understand how to use it step by step. When you first log into Salesforce, you'll land on the Home dashboard, which gives you a quick overview of tasks, events, and performance. This is your central workspace where you can track everything happening in your business. Now, the first important section is leads. Leads are potential customers who have shown interest in your product or service. You can create a new lead by clicking the New button and entering details like name, email, and company. Once a lead is qualified, you can convert it into a contact, account, and opportunity with just one click. Next, let's talk about accounts and contacts. Accounts represent companies or organizations, while contacts are the people within those companies. This helps you organize your customer data clearly so you always know who you're dealing with and their relationship to a business. Moving on to opportunities, this is where you track your sales deals. You can create an opportunity, assign it a value, and move it through different stages like prospecting, negotiation, and closed. This visual pipeline helps you understand how close you are to closing deals and where to focus your efforts. Another key feature is tasks and activities. You can schedule calls, meetings, and follow-ups directly inside Salesforce. This ensures you never miss an important interaction with a client. Everything gets logged, so you have a full history of communication. Now let's look at reports and dashboards. Salesforce allows you to generate detailed reports on sales performance, lead conversion, and team activity. Dashboards display this data visually using charts and graphs, making it easier to analyze and make decisions. Automation is also a powerful part of Salesforce. You can create workflows or flows to automate repetitive tasks like sending emails, assigning leads, or updating records. This saves time and improves efficiency across your team. You can also customize Salesforce based on your needs. For example, you can add custom fields, create different layouts, or set user permissions. This flexibility makes it suitable for different industries and business sizes. Finally, Salesforce works on the cloud, so you can access it from anywhere using your computer or mobile device. This is especially useful for remote teams or salespeople working on the go. By practicing these basics regularly, you'll become comfortable using Salesforce CRM and managing your customer relationships more effectively. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.